In this video, I will take a deep dive into the fascinating world of the Mechrevo mini PC to see if this compact powerhouse actually lives up to the growing hype. Small form factor computers have become incredibly popular lately, but Mechrevo is a brand that many people are just starting to discover. At first glance, the build quality is surprisingly premium, with an aluminum chassis that feels sturdy and looks sleek on any desk. Under the hood, this machine packs a serious punch with a high-performance processor that handles everyday multitasking without breaking a sweat. Whether you are browsing dozens of tabs, editing high-resolution photos, or streaming video, the experience remains buttery smooth. One of the standout features is the cooling system, which manages to keep temperatures under control while staying remarkably quiet during heavy loads. This is a common weak point for small PCs, but Mechrevo seems to have engineered a solid solution here. You also get a generous amount of ports for your peripherals, including high-speed USB and dual display outputs, which makes it a versatile hub for a home office setup. While it might not be a dedicated 4K gaming rig, it handles light titles and productivity software with ease. It offers a fantastic balance of value and performance that challenges the more expensive names in the industry. For anyone looking to save desk space without sacrificing power, this little box is a serious contender. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you decide if this is the right upgrade for your setup. See you in the next one.